Another problem I've had with the Passat recently is the tailgate. When you lift it, it's not opening properly. See the lifters at the side here, lifters on the tailgate, getting quite old, so these need replacement. So I bought some new struts from Struts depot, so I'm just going to unpack these and we can look to put them on the car. I'm going to get a screwdriver and show you how to remove the old ones. Just need to do the same on the other side, or on the other clip. So again, removing the clip so that the whole of this will actually come off, and we can then fit the new one in place. Now prized open the clip and remove this side, so we can fit the new strut onto here, remembering which way round it goes. In here you can see how the clip goes round the ball joint, and once you release the clip, how it comes off. So we just need to slightly release the clip so we can push the new strut on. With the strut replaced on one side, you can see the immediate improvement it already gives. So all we need to do is just replace the strut on the other side, and you'll see how improved it is for the tailgate. So you can see here, it now lifts very smoothly. So you can see previously the tailgate didn't lift at all. If you find that the tailgate in your vehicle is suffering from the lifters not working properly, then it's quite an easy fix, as you can see here.